Beautiful, beautiful Joy. Oh, hotel. Ambassador Hotel. Our hotel. Hello.
You just
Hi.
What's your name is Joy. My name is Christina. Kiki.
And we are together with
SayABC. Yay.
We're waiting on the other teachers to come. They'll be coming in tomorrow.
Danielle is the first one.
Hello everyone, coming to you all the way live from China. This is the first time for me that it is 6 o'clock and I am up, ready, bathed, showered, dressed, ready to go. Since like 4 o'clock, I've been like, time to get up? Not yet. 5 o'clock, time to get up? No, not yet. So finally I just woke up. It is 6:30 now. I am hungry. I got to the hotel last night. I was hungry, but I was so tired I just wanted to go to sleep, so I did. But now it is a new day and it's time to look for some food. So let's go. Flavored fermented milk, it says. I know that's what it is. It just sounds funny saying it like that. You stick a straw in it and drink it like that. Different, no? First day here in Shanghai, and it is so different from what I expected. Here it is very crowded but quiet. You don't hear any honking, everything is orderly, the cars are driving orderly. You know, in New York City, like on 5th Avenue, they have it prohibited for the honking of cars. So that's what it's like here. There's a bunch of cars, bikes, but not many honking. Everyone's walking orderly, and I see a lot of bicycles. A lot of bikes or motorbikes. So I've actually had a couple of students too who were taking their classes on the back of a motorcycle, but now I understand why. The streets are very quiet, so you could literally be listening to a class. So right now I'm in a lovely coffee shop having a break, and soon we will be heading into headquarters.
Owen from the UK. This is for Sweden.
Jody from Jamaica. Here's Orlando. Claire from China. We're going to work!
Excellent. Nice, coming through.
This is Serena.
I met Serena.
Serena. This is France. So lovely. We have 3 boys in our team, and
All
he's
the boys
one
here.
of them. Yeah.
And this is okay. My
A friend mate.
Oh, you're a monkey. Why you're a monkey?
She's cuter than my present. Yes, I talked to you. Yes, I complained to you a lot. Ilya. Danielle. Nice to meet you. You're teacher support. Yes. Thank you for supporting me. Melon. Thank you. Very shy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. In person. I think we emailed before.
I never like introduced myself officially. Nice to meet you.
Eileen.
I work as department assistant, teacher communication. So weekly digest. Exactly.
Ah.
Okay.
So who was it that said, "Is your classes boring?"
Coffee. That's Peter's line.
That was
Classic.
You remember that? Next question.
Peter is a funny one. I'm to do the organizing. Yeah, it needs to be precisely.
Well, thank you so much. It is very precise, usually.
Yeah. I need like an official announcement.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for your hard work. Okay, nice to meet you, Danielle. This is Joy. Joy, what do you do with SayABC?
I'm a recruiter in SayABC. I interview new teachers if they apply online and want to be our teacher, and I will do an interview result.
Oh, you're on. Oh, she.
Aussie.
Yeah. Only she.
Hello.
你好。你好吗？你好吗？
You don't say 你好吗? Usually it's just 你好.
How do you say how are you?
It's 你怎么样?
你怎么样？
很好 is very good. 很好 is very good.
很好。谢谢你。